नाज़रीन, आप देख रहे हैं सलाम दक्कन में हूं आपके साथ सहबाली सैफी। कर्नाटक में तकरीबन 1 साल बाद पुलिस को सुप्रीम कोर्ट की हिदायत की याद आई है। रमजान के मुबारक महीने में पुलिस ने मस्जिदों समेत तमाम मजहबी मकामात को नोटिस दिया है। हालांकि शिद्दत पसंद तंजीमें मस्जिदों में लाउड स्पीकर बैन की मांग शुरू कर चुकी हैं, लेकिन पुलिस उनके खिलाफ एक्शन के मूड में नजर नहीं आ रही है। बता दें कि एक दिन पहले ही कर्नाटक के डीजीपी और आईजीपी ने रियासत के सभी अजला के पुलिस अफसरान के लिए हिदायत जारी की थी। मजहबी मकामात पर लाउड स्पीकर को लेकर कार्रवाई की बात कही गई है। बता दें कि साल 2021 में हाई कोर्ट ने मजहबी मकामात पर लाउड स्पीकर को लेकर एक फैसला दिया था, लेकिन कभी इसको लेकर अमल नहीं किया गया। अब 2 साल बाद रमजान के मुबारक महीने में पुलिस के आला अफसरान को इस पर सख्ती करने की याद आ गई है, जिसके बाद उन्होंने सभी अजला के अफसरान को खत लिखा है।
Supreme Court has already settled the matter few years ago. It is a settled law. So, as a part of preventing and minimizing this sound pollution, so it is not applicable to one religion or anything. It applies to all. A law applies to each and every citizen. So, let us not politicize everything. We have to respect the views and the judgment of the law of the land. So more of politics into it. They want to set an agenda, so which is not not the right thing to do. No, it's not from the both sides. Government is very clear. It is the responsibility of any elected government to follow the judgment of the apex court.
Politically, they have failed to convince the people of Karnataka. In all the local body elections, Congress party has got an upper hand. So they want to deviate the issue. Everything is being generated from Karnataka. Either the hijab issue or the fair issue or the halal issue or the mango issue. Ultimately, they are going to hit the farmers and the small traders. No investments are coming to Karnataka. I think it will be a very, very big hit. Already, minister from Telangana, minister from Tamil Nadu, all of them have opened their mouth and they are requesting all of them to be a part of their growth. I think Bangalore, whatever has been done from the last 30-40 years, they are trying to stop because of the political gain, what they want to have, polarize the state. Today also again, Kiran Mojdar, she has also today requested again. It will be a very big threat to all of them and on the national interest. So as far as mango is concerned or halal is concerned, whatever the traders is concerned, they are just trying to see who are farmers. Farmers doesn't have any community. All community people grow